Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you top tricks on the DUOQIN F22 Pro phone. So the first thing we're going to do is open up settings, and there, from settings we're going to scroll down to display, click on display, and here you have the dark theme option. So if you select that, basically the background of all of the apps, all the different apps will be black instead of white or darker. And the next thing is the show battery percentage. So we're going to scroll down to battery, click on that, and then scroll down to battery percentage. And once you turn that on, you can see that the battery percentage has appeared on the top right. And the next thing I'm going to show you is the DuraSpeed option. So if you scroll all the way down in the main menu and then click on the DuraSpeed option, you can enable DuraSpeed, which boosts like the performance of the apps by restricting the background apps. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.